Hi, welcome back to the channel. I saw this question on binomial expansion. My question says if the binomial expansion of 1 plus 3x raised to the power 6 is used to evaluate 0.97 raised to the power 6. My question wants me to find the value of x. Now, we've been told that my 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 6 is used to evaluate 0.97 all raised to the power 6. That means both expressions are actually equal. Now, don't make this mistake of trying to expand my 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 6 and expand 0.97. All you need to do is pick your 1 plus 3x all raised to the power 6 will be the same thing as 0.97 is the same thing as 1 minus 0.03 all raised to the power 6. 0.97 is the same thing as 1 minus 0.03. Now, when we like to take both expressions, you will see that your 3x is equivalent to minus 0.03. Don't leave the negative sign. So that we're saying that 3x is the same thing as minus 0.03. So that x now, as simple as possible, will be minus 0.03 all over 3. Which is equals to minus 0.01. With this, I hope you understand how I got my x. Thank you for staying with us and see you in my next class.